Previously, we made a video about how to repair rust using a product called Rustmore. Clearly, a lot of you have rusty cars. So we are back to test out another product. This is the Rust Dissolver Gel made by Permatex. I've never actually used it before, but it looks like a pretty good product. So we wanted to test this out on this very rusty piece of sheet metal that we have here and kind of see how this one does. So if you want to see that previous video that we made, that'll be linked up in the top right corner. And make sure you subscribe because we're gonna have a bunch more videos comparing different rust products coming out soon. All right, so the first thing is you want to make sure that you're wearing rubber gloves to use this product. Second thing is going to be cleaning up the rusted surface a little bit. So I got a wire brush to do that. And basically I'm just gonna scrape it up a little bit to knock off some of the loose rust, dirt, and stuff like that. That's gonna be the first step. Now I'm just gonna take this rag and wipe off all that dust that we just scraped off. Basically, the reason we did that is we want the gel to actually soak into the deep metal. We don't want it all to get absorbed in the surface rust, the stuff that's really loose. So that's why we knocked it all off, so we can kind of get down to as much bare and clean metal as we can so that the gel can actually get deep into the pits. Now from here, we're gonna grab a brush or a rag and actually apply the gel to the surface. You should be pretty generous when you're applying this to the surface. You can definitely put a lot on there just to make sure that it has a good chance of soaking in and completely being able to affect the whole surface. So I'm gonna grab a pretty good bit and just start brushing it in. So like I said, you can be pretty generous. I'm just kind of brushing this in all over. Gonna give it a chance to really work it in there. And then after this, you just wanna let it sit on the surface and soak in for about 5 to 10 minutes. It really doesn't need a ton of time. If the surface is more rusted, it is heavily rusted, then you can apply more, you can leave it on for longer, and you can do multiple coats, basically. I mean, right away, I can actually see that the gel, it started off pink, and it's turning very orange very quickly, very orange and brown. I'm actually feeling pretty good about this. I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit more out of the brush here, and gonna let that sit now for about 5 to 10 minutes, and we'll clean it off and see what it looks like. So one thing to note is that if you're using this on a painted surface, you should wipe it off immediately. It gives you that warning on the bottle. It actually gives you all the instructions of how to use it on the bottle, but for painted surfaces, you don't want to let it sit on there and kind of corrode the paint. So once you've let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes or a little bit longer, if you've got a heavily rusted surface, you should just grab some fresh water and rinse it off. So now I'm gonna grab a rag and just kind of wipe it off a little bit to get the last bits off, dry it off a little bit. So right now, because the whole thing is pretty wet, it's hard to see the difference, but actually I'm really happy with this. I'm very impressed with this product so far. Once the thing dries, it should be much more obvious the difference between how rusted it is here and here compared to what we cleaned off. There are still some sections in here that I could probably hit again because they are more heavily rusted, some deeper pits and stuff. But like I said, overall, I'm actually very pleased with this, very impressed with this product. I think I would probably use this over the Rustmore that I've been previously using. In general, I think this product is a little bit easier to work with because it is a gel. It's a little bit thicker. It actually kind of sticks to the surface. You can brush it on, whereas with the Rustmore, it's actually a liquid. So I found a lot of the time that if you weren't careful and if you didn't apply it slowly, then it would just, you know, roll right off and you'd waste a bunch of it. So generally, I think that this product is actually a bit easier to use. And you can actually kind of see right now it's starting to dry up a little bit. You can see how clean some of these spots actually are compared to the heavily rusted sections on the left and right. Now, overall, I'm actually very pleased with this, and we'll make sure to drop a link down in the description so that you can grab yourself some of this if you want to try it out. I do actually highly recommend this product now based on what I'm seeing here. So like I said, check out that link down in the description to get some for yourself. So that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. If you liked this video or found it helpful, make sure you hit the like button. And like I said before, definitely subscribe because we're gonna have more videos coming out testing different products and different techniques on how to repair rust in the future. So definitely subscribe. If you have any suggestions for other rust products or techniques that you've tried before or wanna see us try, make sure you leave those down in the comments and we'll try to make a video about it. So, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.